Hello, Agile enthusiast. Welcome back to my channel, Software the Agile Way. In every session, I go over one of the topics which will make you a better Scrum Master and product owner. And in today's video, I'm going to talk about what technical skills you need to master or getting to know about them to begin to understand them to become better product owner or Scrum Master. So there are five key areas that I really suggest you to focus on. The first one is architecture. Every product or software product when you're working on, it is important that you have to know very high level what is the architecture, the system design of this product is. And architecture can be monolithic, it can be microservices based architecture. If you are completely non-technical background, it's okay, you can start with learning the architecture first, talk to your engineers, talk to your architect, and get to know what kind of system design we have in place right now, what is the technology stack looks like, right? That is number one. Number two is, if you are into product building, right, it's important, absolutely necessary to know what APIs are we are using. API stands for Application Programming Interface. It's one of the highly used terminology that you will see in today's product building process. APIs can be REST API, it can be SOAP API, and I would highly suggest you to think about those scenarios where your product is integrating with third party products. And if you're integrating with third party products, or if within the product you are connecting different modules, how are you connecting with them? Is it REST API, SOAP API? Go figure it out. The third skill that I would really love to know if I am a product owner is databases. And databases is where all the information is stored. There are certain information you persist, certain information you don't persist. But if you persist certain data in your database, then how can you retrieve those data? You probably need to get started with writing basic SQL queries. SQL queries stands for Structured Query Language, which basically helps you find out all the information that are being persisted in your backend system. And I think data is one of the important area to investigate further. The fourth area that I would suggest you to investigate on is testing. As a product owner and Scrum Master, if you have to master your product, you need to start working as a tester. You need to test your system, maybe manually, or maybe understand from your team if there is an automation testing script already available. Can you access it? Can you use it? If not, can you actually test it manually? But this is important skill to know. And fifth, the most important one, the deployment. How often you release your product into the production environment? What kind of process you follow? Do you use continuous integration, continuous deployment? Do you have DevOps framework implemented? Go figure it out. Important thing is, get to know this five key technical skills. And the moment you start understanding about these technical skills, you will know that you are becoming master on the non-functional aspect of the product as well. So that with that, in today's session, I have given you some quick starter of how you have to get into the technology side of the product. And I will see you in the next video with another video where I will be talking about another key topics which will help you become better Scrum Master, better product manager, and more importantly, can you be market ready agile professional. Till then, keep watching and keep liking my videos, sharing my videos to your friends and colleagues, and see you very soon. All the best.